This is the best dal ever.
मैंने दाल बुखारा और नान भी ऑर्डर की थी. I'm still waiting.
This is dal bukhara, not dal makhni. The night before, wash 1 cup of urad dal and soak in water overnight. In the morning, drain the water and add 6 cups of fresh water. Then boil in a pressure cooker for 30 minutes. The dal should be soft and well cooked. Turn on the flame again and add 2 tablespoons of grated ginger and garlic each. Then add 2 cups of blended tomatoes. Mix well, then add salt, Kashmiri red chilies and butter. Cook for about an hour on low flame. Next, grab your heated charcoal and place in a metal bowl. Add some ghee to it and place the metal bowl in your dal, which should be thick by now. Cover for 2 minutes and then remove the lid. Add some garam masala and heavy cream. Then mix and you're ready to go.